rising temperatures, unpredictable rainfall, and prolonged droughts. Climate change impacts not just our planet, but our own backyard. Your beloved garden is facing unprecedented threats. But we don't have to surrender to this challenge. We can actively turn our gardens into resilient fortresses capable of thriving amidst changing weather patterns. Today on EcoVibe TV, we bring you 5 simple steps to tackle climate change right from your own garden. Let's get started. First up, let's talk water. Number 1. Harness the rain. Every single drop of rainwater that runs off your roof is a wasted resource. It's so easy to install simple barrels or containers to collect this runoff. This easy practice significantly reduces your reliance on tap water during dry spells and ensures your plants stay hydrated even during a drought. Step number 2. Apply a layer of mulch. Mulch is your garden's superhero. Seriously. By covering the soil with natural materials like leaves, straw, or coconut coir, you prevent rapid evaporation. This saves an incredible amount of water and keeps the soil cool during intense heat. As a fantastic bonus, it also helps suppress weeds, which means less work for you and a happier garden. Moving on to step 3. Build carbon-rich soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of a resilient garden. Incorporate more compost and other organic matter. Why? Because carbon-rich soil acts like a giant sponge, holding far more water and making your garden incredibly drought-resistant. Plus, you're actively helping the planet by sequestering carbon right out of the atmosphere. It's a win-win. And for our 4th step, grow resilient, native crops. Think about it. Our traditional and native crop varieties are naturally better adapted to local weather extremes, pests and diseases compared to many foreign types. By focusing your gardening efforts on these hardy, resilient crops, you'll enhance your local food security and find they require much less intensive care. Finally, step 5. Maximize small spaces with vertical gardening. Even if you live in a city or just have a tiny balcony, you can still make a huge difference. Implement vertical gardening techniques and utilize every square inch you have. Remember, every little patch of green space, no matter how small, helps absorb carbon dioxide from the air. While climate change is a massive global issue, these small, tangible steps taken right in your garden empower you. By implementing these practices, you can create a more resilient garden, reduce your ecological footprint, and live in greater harmony with nature. If you want to be part of this movement, make sure to subscribe to EcoVibe TV, like this video, and share it with your fellow gardeners. Let's protect our gardens and our world together. Thank you